My name's Chris, and I'm one of the co-founders of HackerStash, and we're building Patreon for hackers. So at the moment, there's just way too many projects that die in a ditch before they've even gotten to market, let alone found product market fit. But we think that HackerStash can help with that. By using the power of community, we can supercharge people's projects, and we can help them earn experimental capital to drive their projects forwards too. So HackerStash is a new community that's designed to move people's projects forwards. Each week in HackerStash is a mini tournament. Community members share updates and news about their project, and they vote on competing projects. And then the top competitors win funds that will help to support their business. So I will show you around the app. So this is the real-time leaderboard. You can see the expected prizes for people that are participating at the moment. There's a community forum where people can share updates on their projects, ask for advice. You can browse all the other projects. You can filter by different categories, for example, donations. As a business model, you can view the project page to see how they're doing in the tournament, but also to learn more about their business and who's in the team. And then at the end of each week, the leaderboard is closed and prizes are distributed. So a HackerStash subscription costs $9 per month, but there is a catch. None of that money is for us. So all the subscription fees go straight into the prize pool, and that gets awarded to the community's chosen winners each week. And the community members can cash out their winnings at any time. So we've just concluded beta testing now, and we've had 20 or so people beta testing. This is some of the top earners during beta testing. We have 321 people on our wait list that we are sending invites out to tomorrow. We'll be looking to launch on Product Hunt and other platforms in the next couple of weeks, and we're currently raising a seed round of 300K. Thanks very much.
Really interesting. Is the leaderboard, like, who's coming up with the challenges, or how does the leaderboard work exactly? Are they like bounties to solve certain problems, or are they?
So there's a combination of two different things. There's weekly challenges, which are mostly about fostering engagement within the community. So it's encouraging you to make sure that you're sharing advice and with other people and sharing updates about how your project is doing, and also encouraging you to vote on other projects that you find interesting. And then the other way that you climb the leaderboard is when people engage with your posts or with your comments and with your project, they can upvote those independently, and all that's aggregated to form your project score.
Gotcha. So it's a sense of sort of overall engagement and commitment to the community, and sort of contributions to the community across, not just the code, but the other contributions.
Exactly. Yeah. So it's a combination of sort of altruism in terms of wanting to support and other hackers and entrepreneurs that are in the community, coupled with, like, really wanting to showcase how well you're progressing and getting rewarded for that as well.
What kind of, on both sides of the market, what kinds of hackers do you think are going to participate in this community in the early days, and what kinds of people are going to pay $9 a month to support these people?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, I think a lot of it is the sort of audience that you expect in communities like indie hackers, for example, where I'm also very active. People who are trying to bootstrap predominantly, and they're looking for small cash injections that could help them do things like test an AdWords campaign or cover their AWS bill for a few months, this sort of thing. And it's probably really anybody that's right from the inception of their project through to, like, I guess, seed stage, like at very, very latest. It wouldn't be suitable for someone that had taken a serious funding round, for example.
Yeah, that's interesting. I could imagine companies wanting to sponsor stuff like this too, right? If there are a bunch of independent open source devs out there that are contributing to projects that the big companies are drafting on top of, it kind of makes sense for them to effectively sponsor the community as well.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, that's something that we'd be looking to in the future, is sort of sponsored prize pools or separate tournament streams where you could join, like, an open source tournament thread that was focused exclusively on open source tournaments. It could be sponsored by different companies.
Makes sense. So how do you guys make money in the middle?
So at the moment, we're not actually focusing on how we can make money. There's the sort of first port of call is to build a really healthy, thriving community, and like, in terms of routes to monetization later, like, there's things like you just discussed, like sponsored prize pools, and likewise, we can move into directions like revenue-based financing for really promising projects, or there's a million different ways we can do that, but we're gonna cross that bridge a bit later.
Cool, great job, super interesting.